Hey guys, Rod here. I'm going to do a review on my new toy. It's the Omegasonics ultrasonic engine parts cleaner. It's the 1420 series, and I'm having a blast with it. I actually got it for when I get into building my Type 4 2270. I want it spotless throughout. But I've been playing with this this ultrasonic cleaner, and I'm having a blast. I've been trying to find stuff to clean. I put my my starter in there, my alternator, every little piece of nut and bolt that came out of the engine, and it's unbelievable. So here it is. It holds 16 gallons, and they say 14. It comes with 5 gallons of ultrasonic cleaner, and it's super easy to operate, set up, and all that good stuff. So you got your temperature. You hit on, turn the temperature on, and that takes it takes about 2 hours, at least 2 hours to heat up to the temperature you desire. The other day I turned it on early in the morning, and it was about 45, 50 degrees out in the garage. And I came back out in probably an hour and a half, 2 hours, and it was at about 69. Well, let's look back in a couple hours. I came back out and it was like 68. I said, what the heck? Well, I didn't turn the temperature knob on, so stupid. But anyways, your timer, adjustments, and when you're ready to go, hit it on. You can see that I've been using the heck out of it. This is your basket, and I really like this thing. It wasn't cheap. It's not for the faint at heart. But this is you can imagine how nasty this thing was. It had 216,000 miles on it. The starter, same situation. Actually, this one's been rebuilt, and I don't know how long ago it was, but it was nasty. It's full of oil and grime, road grime, everything else. Some of the parts that I've cleaned. This looks brand new. And it was horribly nasty. But anyways, that's it. I hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. I'm going to do a lot more. And one last thing before you leave. I'm putting my fan housing back together. This is the Type 4 fan housing. And these little dudes, I need to find. So if anyone out there knows of where I could get them, hit me up.